Now let us see the program using function. So this is the program to evaluate the equation s equal to sqr a function plus b function, okay, using function. So we just discuss here in this program we have to use two functions a and b. These are the user defined function, okay. So in C language we can define multiple functions, okay. So here these two functions declare function A, function B. I already told you these functions to be defined out of the main function, okay. So first function A, this is the function defined out of the main function. So this particular A function defined scanf A, return A, means value of A to be returned in main function where it is to be called. So this particular value to be returned by this particular function A or value will be stored here. So here value, first of all this one it is to be called, after all return value of A, so here to be reflected. Same B function, C, B function, this is the B function. This particular function defined out of the main function. So this is the local variable scanf return B, means value of B to be returned, okay. So in main function where this particular, so here value will be reflected, so return value will be stored here, okay. So one of the good program how to define multiple function in C language. So in C language function declaration, function definition, function calling, these are the function declaration, these are the function calling, these are the function definitions. So function A defined out of the main function, function B defined out of the main function. So this is the result. If we enter value of A 5, okay, here scanf A return, if we feed the value for A 5, so this particular function return 5, okay. So output of this A 5. Same we see enter value B for 3, so this is the function. So in this if we feed 3, so return B means value of B return, return 3 means 3 value 3 return, okay. So value 3 of this, the value of this function calling function 3, so square 5 plus 3 8, okay. So output of this program 64, okay.